Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another unlock tutorial, this time for the Samsung A24. If you've forgotten your PIN or the screen pattern password, you can see here, look, it's showing this lock icon, which means the device is locked. In a moment, I'll talk about how you can solve the issue with your Google account. But first, let's remove this screen pattern password, in case you've forgotten it and need to. So you'll also need to take out your SIM card and memory card, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. I want to let you know that in some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any software, files, or anything like that. In some cases it also works with a TV or even a Bluetooth speaker. It's just a matter of testing it out yourself, okay? So, you should leave it on this emergency screen, I recommend you do, or on the screen where the pattern password is. Either one is fine, okay? But I prefer to leave it on the emergency screen. What are you going to do? You're going to press the volume down button, down, and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here, see, until it enters recovery mode. Alright? I'll show you here to make it easier. I'll show you here so it's easier for you to do it and unlock your phone, okay? So let's go, hold down volume down and power, like we said, until the device restarts. Let's wait. Just a little bit longer. Keep holding, release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. You can see it here. There you go. This is the screen I wanted to show you, and also to let you know that this procedure will work for other Samsung models as well, okay? You can try it out yourself. In a moment, I'll talk about how to remove the Google account from this device or any other model, alright? So on this screen, use the volume down button to scroll down to the fifth option where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. On the next screen, scroll down with the volume down button and confirm again with the power button. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue. Once you reach this screen, just confirm. At this point, your device is already being unlocked. You'll see, it will restart here. That screen lock password will be gone. Just set up your phone as usual and you'll have access to your device again. If you need to unlock your Google account, our number is in the description. Just get in touch and talk directly to me and we can unlock it for you remotely, okay? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our Pix is in the video description. It doesn't matter how much, what matters is your help and support. That was today's video, thanks, take care.